Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use templates in Canva on your PC step by step. If you want to create professional-looking designs quickly, Canva templates can save you a lot of time. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Canva account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click the Create a Design button and choose the type of design you want to create. A new design window will open. On the left-hand side of the editor, click on the Design or Templates panel if it's not already open. You'll see a wide range of templates available for your selected design type. Browse through the templates or use the search bar to find one that matches your needs. When you find a template you like, click on it to apply it to your design. The template will appear on your canvas. Now you can customize the template by clicking on any text box and replacing the existing text with your own content. To change images, click on an image in the template and either upload your own image or select one from Canva's library. You can also edit colors, fonts, graphics, and other elements to match your style or brand. If you want to add more elements, use the tabs on the left side to insert text, photos, icons, shapes, or other design components. Continue editing until you're satisfied with the final design. Once your design is ready, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then click Download. Choose your preferred file format such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. Finally, click Download again to save the design to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully used a template in Canva on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials and design tips. See you in the next one.